There's a secret that 99% of seniors never discover, a hidden benefit of intimacy that goes far beyond pleasure, far beyond connection, and far beyond anything most doctors will ever tell you about. While society whispers that sex after 60 is somehow inappropriate or unnecessary, cutting-edge research reveals something extraordinary. Regular intimacy in your golden years doesn't just make you feel good, it literally rewires your brain, strengthens your immune system, and can add years to your life in ways that no pill, no supplement, and no medical procedure can match. My name is Dr. Talia Monroe, and for over 25 years, I've specialized in geriatric health and human sexuality. What I'm about to share with you will challenge everything you've been told about aging, intimacy, and what's possible for your body and mind after 60. The hidden benefit I'm talking about isn't just important, it's revolutionary. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why the seniors who know this secret are living longer, thinking clearer, and experiencing joy in ways that seem to defy their chronological age. But first, I need to address the elephant in the room that keeps most seniors from ever discovering this life-changing truth. Here's what breaks my heart. We live in a society that celebrates youth and sexuality, yet the moment someone reaches their 60s, 70s, or 80s, we act as if their intimate lives should simply disappear. Adult children feel uncomfortable discussing it. Healthcare providers often ignore it completely. Even seniors themselves begin to believe the lie that passion, desire, and physical intimacy are somehow inappropriate at their age. This conspiracy of silence is literally killing people. Not because sex itself is life or death, but because when we shut down this fundamental part of human experience, we shut down something profound in the brain and body that science is only now beginning to understand. I remember attending a geriatric conference where 200 doctors spent 3 days discussing medications, mobility aids, and memory care. Not one session, not one addressed the intimate lives of older adults. Yet these same doctors wonder why their patients seem to lose their spark, why depression rates climb, why cognitive decline accelerates, and why so many seniors feel disconnected from life itself. The truth is, there's a biological reason why intimacy matters more, not less, as we age. And understanding this reason will completely change how you view your own potential for vitality, health, and happiness in your later years. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss life-changing health information designed specifically for seniors. And if this video opens your eyes to something new, type yes in the comments. If not, type NO so I know how to better serve you. To understand why this hidden benefit matters so much, we first need to look at what happens when intimacy disappears from a senior's life, because the consequences go far deeper than most people realize. When physical affection, emotional connection, and yes, sexual intimacy fade away, it triggers what researchers call a loneliness cascade. This isn't just about feeling sad or isolated. It's a measurable, biological process that affects every system in your body. Your stress hormone cortisol begins to climb. Chronic elevation of cortisol doesn't just make you feel anxious, it literally shrinks the hippocampus, the brain region responsible for memory and learning. Your immune system weakens. Without the regular release of bonding hormones like oxytocin and endorphins that come from intimate connection, your body's ability to fight off illness diminishes significantly. Your cardiovascular health suffers. The heart needs more than exercise and good nutrition. It needs the emotional and physical stimulation that comes from meaningful connection with another person. I've seen this pattern countless times in my practice. A couple in their 70s stops being physically intimate. Maybe it started with a medical issue, or perhaps they just drifted apart. Within months, both partners begin showing signs of cognitive decline, increased illness, and what their families describe as giving up on life. But here's what's tragic. In most cases, this decline isn't inevitable. It's reversible. Because when seniors rediscover intimacy, Not necessarily intercourse, but physical closeness, emotional connection, and yes, sexual expression. Something remarkable happens in their bodies and brains. Now I'm going to reveal the hidden benefit that 99% of seniors never learn about, and it's going to sound almost too good to be true. But I want you to stick with me because this is backed by solid scientific research. When seniors engage in regular intimate activity, and by intimate, I mean everything from passionate kissing to sexual climax, their brains undergo a process that researchers are calling neuroplastic rejuvenation. Here's what happens. Physical intimacy triggers a massive release of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as miracle fertilizer for your brain cells. It doesn't just protect existing neurons, it actually stimulates the growth of new ones, even in brains that are 70, 80, or 90 years old. This is revolutionary because for decades, scientists believed that brain cell growth essentially stopped in adulthood. We now know that's completely false, especially when the brain receives the right biochemical signals. But BDNF is just the beginning. Intimate activity also floods the brain with a cocktail of neurochemicals that work together to enhance memory consolidation, helping seniors retain new information and recall old memories more clearly. Improve executive function, the brain's ability to plan, focus, and make decisions. Boost creativity and problem solving, keeping the mind sharp and engaged with life. I worked with a couple in their late 70s who were both showing early signs of cognitive decline. Their adult children were already researching memory care facilities. Instead of immediately turning to medications, I encouraged them to reconnect physically and emotionally. 6 months later, both partners scored significantly higher on cognitive assessments. Their neurologist was baffled by the improvement, but I wasn't surprised at all. The hidden benefit extends far beyond the brain. Regular intimate contact creates what immunologists call an immune system reset. The combination of physical touch, emotional bonding, and sexual release triggers a cascade of immune-boosting compounds. Natural killer cells multiply, antibody production increases, and inflammation markers drop dramatically. This means seniors who maintain intimate lives don't just think better, they get sick less often, recover faster when they do fall ill, and show remarkable resistance to the kinds of infections that can be devastating at their age. You might be wondering, if this benefit is so powerful, why don't more people know about it? The answer reveals some uncomfortable truths about how our society views aging and sexuality. First, there's a funding issue. Medical research that focuses on senior sexuality faces significant barriers. Grant committees, often influenced by cultural biases, tend to prioritize studies on diseases rather than on what keeps seniors thriving. As a result, most of the groundbreaking research I'm sharing with you comes from small, independent studies rather than large, well-funded trials. Second, most healthcare providers receive virtually no training in geriatric sexuality. In 4 years of medical school and years of residency, the average doctor spends less than 2 hours learning about the intimate lives of older adults. This means when seniors bring up concerns about decreased libido, erectile dysfunction, or painful intercourse, many doctors either dismiss these as normal aging or simply prescribe a pill without addressing the deeper health implications. Third, adult children often unconsciously discourage their aging parents from maintaining intimate relationships. The idea of mom or dad being sexual beings makes many people deeply uncomfortable, so they inadvertently send messages that such desires are inappropriate. Finally, our youth-obsessed culture has created a narrative that portrays older adults as sexless beings whose desires and needs somehow become irrelevant after a certain age. This cultural ageism doesn't just hurt feelings. It literally shortens lives by discouraging behaviors that could keep seniors healthier, happier, and more cognitively sharp. Now that you understand the hidden benefit, the question becomes, how do seniors safely and healthily reclaim or maintain intimate lives that support their brain health and overall well-being? For couples, The journey often begins with honest conversation. Many seniors assume their partner is no longer interested, when in reality, both people are simply afraid to bring up the topic. I encourage couples to start by talking about what intimacy means to them now. It might look different at 70 than it did at 30, and that's perfectly okay. Many seniors avoid intimacy because of physical challenges, decreased lubrication, erectile difficulties, joint pain, or reduced flexibility. But every one of these issues has solutions. Lubrication products can address vaginal dryness. Medical consultation can help with erectile function. Position modifications can accommodate physical limitations. Extended foreplay can increase comfort and enjoyment. The key is viewing these as solvable problems, not insurmountable barriers. Remember, the neurological benefits I described don't require traditional intercourse. They come from passionate kissing that releases oxytocin and dopamine, extended cuddling that reduces cortisol and boosts immune function, sensual massage that increases circulation and emotional bonding, any form of sexual expression that creates physical and emotional connection. Single seniors shouldn't assume they're excluded from these benefits. Self-intimacy, when approached mindfully and regularly, can provide many of the same neurochemical rewards. Additionally, forming new romantic relationships in later life can be incredibly rewarding, both emotionally and neurologically. Before anyone takes action based on this information, it's crucial to address safety considerations that are unique to senior intimacy. If you haven't been intimate in a long time, or if you have cardiovascular issues, diabetes, or take multiple medications, consulting with a healthcare provider is essential. Many medications can affect sexual function, and some medical conditions require modifications to intimate activity. This might surprise you, but STD rates among seniors are actually rising. Many older adults didn't grow up with comprehensive sex education about protection, and they often assume they're not at risk. The reality is that seniors who become sexually active, whether with long-term partners or new relationships, need to consider protection and testing, just like younger adults. For seniors who have been out of intimate relationships for extended periods, there can be significant emotional challenges. Body image concerns, performance anxiety, and grief over lost partners all need to be acknowledged and addressed. Here's perhaps the most remarkable part of this hidden benefit. Regular intimate activity in seniors isn't just correlated with better brain function and immune health, it's actually associated with increased lifespan. Recent studies have found that seniors who maintain active intimate lives show longer telomeres, the protective caps on chromosomes that are considered a marker of biological aging. Longer telomeres are associated with slower cellular aging, reduced risk of age-related diseases, better stress resilience, enhanced overall longevity. Regular intimate activity provides cardiovascular benefits that are particularly important for seniors. Improved circulation, lower blood pressure, reduced stress on the heart, better sleep quality, which supports heart health. Perhaps most importantly, maintaining intimacy in later life provides powerful protection against depression and anxiety, two conditions that significantly impact both quality of life and longevity in seniors. As we come to the end of our time together, I want to leave you with this truth. Your age does not disqualify you from intimacy, passion, or the incredible health benefits that come with physical and emotional connection. The hidden benefit I've shared, the neuroplastic rejuvenation, immune system boost, and longevity enhancement, isn't reserved for the young. In fact, it may be more important for seniors than for any other age group. Consider this your permission slip to have honest conversations about intimacy with your partner. Seek medical support for any physical challenges. Reject ageist messaging that tells you passion has an expiration date. Prioritize intimate connection as a crucial component of healthy aging. When you embrace this hidden benefit, the changes extend far beyond your bedroom. Your family will notice your increased vitality. Your friends will wonder about your renewed energy. Your healthcare providers will be amazed by your cognitive sharpness and physical resilience. You'll become living proof that aging doesn't have to mean declining, that the right knowledge and approach can help you thrive in ways you never imagined possible. The question isn't whether you're too old for intimacy. The question is, are you ready to unlock this powerful tool for brain health, immune function, and longevity? Tonight could be the beginning of a new chapter, one where you reclaim not just intimacy, but vitality, joy, and the kind of vibrant health that comes from honoring all aspects of your humanity. If this video has opened your eyes to possibilities you hadn't considered, please like and share it. There are millions of seniors who need to hear this message, and you could be the person who helps them discover their own hidden fountain of youth. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, questions, or experiences. Your story might be exactly what another senior needs to hear to take their own courageous step toward renewed vitality. And remember, age is just a number, but connection, real, intimate, passionate connection, is the secret to staying truly alive at any age. The hidden benefit is waiting for you to claim it. The only question is, will you?